Hello, the crown of thorns, the nails.
Oh, the nail. Duh. Okay, I didn't get it. I was thinking Illuminati for some reason. The Knights Templar, ancient symbol.
Not that one.
It's pretty awesome.
Like, look, that's like...
What is it? This is like an arch, an unknown arch. What does it say? Pepe. 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 Pepe was here.
No, senor. There's a holy
It was
well.
here.
That's what you're looking for.
Oh, there it is. Trash, trash, and mow, trash. But that's cool. I didn't notice that was a cross. I thought that was just a plant.
Yeah,
Good job, Cal.
I'm a moron. Looks like a gel. Huh. Yeah, we went. We were exploring that place. Hello, puppy. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Straight to you.
Hello.
Come here. Come here.
Ah, lick some kisses. Lick
Come
some
here.
kisses.
Come here, come here, come here.
Hello.
He's so small.
Come here. Hi. Hello, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
It's a cute little dog.
You're
I
so
want to
cute.
pick with the puppy.
Oh, I was trying to take a picture of you.
Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy.
Go there.
Come here, puppy.
Go there.
Come here, puppy. Come
I love how you can get him excited.
Come here, puppy.
Hi.
Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Perfect.
All right.
Got him.
That's a good puppy. You're so cute. He is a cute little dog.
Hello.
Probably all kinds of diseases.
I know, right? Bye-bye.
Okay, guess we're gonna.
With all the fecal matter and the peanuts.
Peanuts.
And
I don't wanna
the,
step
We're
on
gonna
you
die
guys.
today. It's been a good day. I just picked up trash.
Jimmy.
Here.
Hello.
Is that a cat, Kevin? Oh.
Go get it.
Oh.
Good boy.
Oh wow.
Good boy.
Hi, puppy. What are you doing, puppy? Get it. Get it. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Go to them. They like
Come here,
yours.
puppy. Come here, puppy.
They're excited.
They're an animal magnet.
Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy.
Arr.
Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here. Hi. Hi.
Get him out of the road, Cal.
Come here.
Way smart, huh?
Stop it.
Ooh.
Let's have one picture with the pup.
Okay. Kevin.
Yes. Don't. No. 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 No.
Oh, I don't want to play like that.
Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, what do you got? Get it. Now it stopped, of course. Come on.
Yes. Yes.
Going.
No, not me. Not me.
I'm gonna get the bag. I'm gonna get the bag. What?
Oh, get it, not my finger.
So funny.
Get it! Get it!
It's like too dress. Making it. We're forcing it to play with trash. This is nice.
Oh, that was perfect. You looked over, you jerk.
Yeah, I think we... Can we do this one more time, or are you taking a trip on it? I think
Gotcha.
a trip on it, so...
Probably. Okay, it looks like it's going away. Nope, nope, nope. We got a new friend.
Oh,
Let's name this guy.
cool. Look at that dove right there.
Whoa, that's cool. It's not a dove, it's a pigeon.
Where?
In the window. That's awesome. Let's name this guy.
Which window?
Right there.
Oh, wow.
Let's name him. What are we gonna name him?
The dog?
Trashy?
What's a white wolf?
Trashy.
Paper. Something white and to do with trash. What's Salt? What do you like salt? Like, what are you talking about, bitch?
I'm very creative today.
Created Sandy based on Sandy.
Oh, the little guy's gonna have to cross too. Come on.
Woo! Good job, Kevin. Waved him across.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm thinking his name should be. What are we gonna name him?
I don't know.
We'll think of a name